thanks for choosing a marketing kit for your property. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what your marketing kit includes and how to navigate your dashboard if you're a first-time client. When you first log into your account, hopefully this will look similar to what you see, even though I'm a site owner here. Your site summary will show your site traffic, the top photos listed, where your traffic is coming from as far as search engines and cities. You can do your weekly traffic report right here. You can add a new subscription like you have an office assistant. You can also choose to send one right away, or if you don't want it at all, just click on remove. Next up, you have your site media. These are all the photos that we've taken for you. You can go to the downloads page and you can download the full size resolutions. This is just a copyright agreement that you will only use these photos to list this property this one time. So you can download the video slideshow. You can download all of the photos in the original high quality size. This is for print. Or if you just want to go straight to MLS, you would download these. You can also choose a custom size if you like. If you ordered a floor plan, it would be listed right down here. If you want to download that, just open it, click on the download icon. If you ordered a walkthrough video or slideshow, it is available right here. Next up is your site data. This is where you can add the MLS number, your listing price, bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, add a property description or room dimensions, and this will all come into play here in just a minute. If you make any changes, definitely click Save Updates. By default, you're given these 3 pre-built flyers for printing for your open houses. If you don't like any of the photos listed, you just click on the edit button, click on the photo you want to change. Check mark means it's already being used. Just change these however you like. You can even change the text here. Maybe you don't want to show Huntsville, you just want the street. Click Save and Close. Then you can download the PDF to print or take somewhere and have it printed. You're given property websites with your marketing kit. You can open a preview here. And this is where the site data that you entered in comes into play. You've got your 4-bedroom, 3 baths. You've got an interactive map. There's those printable flyers, your property description. Your floor plan will then show up next. And then there's a way to contact buyers' information. If you want to select a different design, you can go to the design style, choose a different design that are available in different colors, click OK. By default, your property websites will be sent to you in the preparing stage. We will allow you to choose when the property websites go live. You have your branded and unbranded websites here. If you want to use your unbranded property website as the virtual tour link in MLS, you will have your clients see, or your buyers see, all the listing materials such as your floor plans, your videos, and your photos. So if you've sold your property, you want to go up here and click on Sold, and then you have your marketing kit. Another chance here for you to add your property data, bedrooms and such. You will notice that all the marketing materials have your headshot and your logo. If you're a new client, you don't have that, you can also upload them right here. You can also update more details like your job title, your website, add your social media links right here, click Save. And you've got these ready-made, ready-to-share social media videos here. You click on the play button to preview them. And what it's doing is it's grabbing the first few photos in your listing media and putting them into templates. If you don't like the photos that they've chosen, you just click on Edit, change out the photos, change this one, maybe do a drone photo. You can also double click and change the names, text here, change your photo and title, save and close. Got it the way you like it, just click on download. There's also seasonal versions that are added for holidays here from time to time. Even though your property may be sold, you can always come back here and use these for marketing efforts. These are some more vertical 9x16 social media graphics. Lots of different options here. Okay, and then you've got some landscape posts for Facebook and Instagram. Super easy to change as well. Just click on the house photo you don't want, change it out, save and close. Got it the way you want it, just click download. For Instagram, highly recommend these square posts. You've got a Pinterest tower there, and then you've got slideshows. Slideshows are automatically generated for you using all of the listing media that's available. There are things you can change on it, like if you don't want the property website or the web address for the property website to show, you would just click on these hide buttons, save updates, and then you'll have to wait a little bit while the video is rebuilt. You've got branded and unbranded versions. If you want the slideshow to not use all of your site media, there's a quick way to do that. Go to your site media. See this little eyeball icon? If you turn on that button, it'll go gray, and then when the slideshow is built, it will not use these photos here. It'll go from this photo to this photo, skip these three, and then add these. So if you've got like 50 photos or 49 like this one, that video slideshow is going to go really fast. So if you want to use those, I highly recommend limiting it to like 20 or 30 photos. And then finally, you've got your property websites. You got your branded and unbranded links. Let me preview that for you. Here's your site data. This is a different design now. Your room dimensions, property descriptions. And since this is branded, it will show your contact information here. It looks nearly identical. As you will see, it does not have your contact information down here. The last thing you have is a lead capture. This is a phone number that you can put on your marketing materials. Whenever someone texts a certain number, this number will depend on the street address. Usually it's the first numbers. When someone texts that number to this number here, you will get a text message on your phone saying that so-and-so is interested in your property. They will receive a link to your property website, and you will get a notice down here of the number that texted you, the time and date. Unfortunately, it doesn't have their name, it just has their contact information. So that's the marketing kit and your dashboard in a nutshell. If you have any questions, just call me. My name's Daryl. Phone number is 256-809-3870. Thank you.